Hello, my name is Courtney Pardon, a mortgage banker at PreApproved Bank. Today, I'm going to explain what the steps are to obtain a mortgage loan. Once you know the steps, it will make the process of buying a home much easier. The first thing you'll want to do when thinking about buying a home is get pre-approved for a mortgage loan and find out how much you can afford before you even start home shopping. To begin, meet with a lender or complete a mortgage loan application. Be prepared to tell your lender an affordable payment amount for you. Sometimes we can pre-qualify you for more than you feel comfortable with. We want to work with you with the payment you are comfortable paying. Once you are pre-qualified and you know what you can afford, you can start shopping for a home. Being pre-qualified means you'll be in a good position to make an offer on a home when you find it and be an attractive buyer to the seller. It does not mean you are automatically approved for a loan, however. The primary documents a mortgage lender will look for include, first, income. Pay stubs and W-2s for the last 2 years. We are looking for a consistent 2-year work and/or school history. Second, assets. Last 2 months of bank statements. We review all deposits and may need additional deposit documentation. Third, credit. There are minimum credit score requirements for each loan option. We also review payment history, derogatory items, and inquiries. In this first step, we will also go over the estimated funds you will need to close on a home, which includes down payment, closing costs, and taxes and insurance. The primary numbers you want to know are how much money do I need and what is my payment. These 3 pieces, down payment, closing costs, and taxes and insurance, are what you will pay for at or prior to closing in order to purchase a home. We then review and document where these funds come from to ensure they are from an approved source. Examples of approved sources could be your funds, gift funds, seller contributions, and any assistance programs you may be eligible for at this time. Once this is completed, you are ready to select a real estate agent. Your agent, lender, and you will work closely together. We are all in this process as a team. During this step, the loan processors will review and double-check your paperwork to ensure everything is accurate before sending it to a loan underwriter. Your mortgage lender will keep you informed about your loan's progress throughout this stage. In the third step of the mortgage process, an appraiser will evaluate the property and compare it to similar homes in the area to ensure the purchase price matches your new home's actual value. It's important to note the appraisal reflects the market value of the home, not the reconstruction or tax value. You'll receive a copy of the appraisal at your closing. Different from an appraisal, you may have also received a home inspection on the property. We'll also obtain a title opinion at this time. This can take up to 30 days and gives us the legal details of the property to confirm the current ownership rights. Lastly, you'll also need to obtain homeowner's insurance at this stage. During final approval, an underwriter will review the paperwork and details of your loan to determine whether or not they will support the pre-qualification. They'll consider the property. Does the appraisal report verify the value of your home? Total debt ratio. Do you have a healthy debt-to-income ratio? Cash reserves. After your loan costs are paid, how much money will you have left in the bank? Credit history. Do you have a responsible payment history? How likely are you to repay your loan? Employment history. How stable is your current income? This is where we welcome you to your new home. You'll be signing a lot of documents at the closing table, but a closing agent will be there to explain everything. You can also arrange to have your mortgage banker with you to answer any questions. At this point, you'll take care of any closing costs and the balance of your down payment. Once complete, you'll officially own your new home. Thank you for listening today, and be sure to check out the other mortgage videos in our Homebuyer series so you are ready to make the move to a new home.